How to make a power bank with 12-volt battery. We need a 12-volt battery or 9-volt or 6-volt battery to make this power bank. You need a transistor. You need a transistor named as L7805CB. And how to make this power bank? We need this transistor, and only this from this transistor we can charge our phone. Here the input of 12 volt positive and 12 volt negative, and the output will be came from here. The positive voltage 5 volt positive volt, and the negative voltage output from the base, where the negative volt input and there the positive volt output, and from this output 5 volt we can charge our phone. So let's see how this work. Let's see here our 12 volt battery, and 12 volt battery positive is the positive output and the negative output, and we are checking the voltage. We are checking the voltage. Here we take the in the 20 volt and keep the negative to negative wire, and checking the positive voltage. Here we can check 10.9 volt. Our battery is not fully recharged and it's providing us 10 voltage. Okay, we need only 6 volt, then need 10 volt, then it will be work perfectly. So let's start the work. So we connect this transistor with a silver, because the heat will be transformed with this silver. And at first we add two wire here, positive output and negative output here. Now from the base, from base we insert a negative input to this base, and the positive input to this wire. And the output will be here negative output and positive output. Check the positive and negative output. Okay, we are checking the positive and negative output. Here we adjust this transistor with this output positive voltage, output negative voltage, and the output positive voltage here, and the meter positive and meter negative wire. And the checking, we are checking the voltage. Yes, voltage rating is absolutely right, 5 volt, and so we can charge our phone with this. And let's see what will be work with our phone. Yes, we did it. Here the around 12 volt output from this wire, and in this transistor we can decide the output is 5 volt, and this is the charging my phone. Yes, it's work.